The 61-key electric keyboard set is perfect for beginners, with its light-up keys that guide your fingers, making the learning process intuitive and engaging. Equipped with a next-generation sound chip and dual stereo speakers, this electric keyboard offers a rich and vibrant sound experience with 255 voices and rhythms. Its smart three-step learning system allows users to progress from single key to ensemble modes, making it ideal for both beginners and aspiring musicians. The keyboard's connectivity options, including headphone and microphone jacks, make it easy to play privately or share your music with others. Perfect for duets and family fun. This complete beginner kit includes essential accessories such as a microphone, headphones, a stool, and a keyboard stand, offering everything needed to start playing immediately. With the option to power the keyboard with mains or batteries, it offers flexibility for practice sessions, and excellent after-sales service ensures peace of mind.